The Miller Digital Elite? The Lincoln Viking or ESAB Sentinel? Perhaps the Optrel Crystal or the 3M Speedglas? Which one should you buy? In this video, we will be looking at the top 5 welding helmets available on the market today, and we'll tell you which one is best for you. We made this list based on our own opinions, research, and customer reviews. We've considered their quality, features, and values when narrowing down the best choices possible. If you want more information and updated pricing on the products mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description box below. So, here are the top 5 best welding helmets. The 5th product on this list is the ESAB Sentinel A50. Protect your head and neck from the dangers of welding with a stylish and functional welding helmet. This equipment not only shields you from flying sparks and intense light, but also has a darkened lens to provide a clear view for precise work. The Sentinel is a top-of-the-line choice for welders who demand the best in comfort, lens size, and technology. The helmet's revolutionary shell design is made of high-impact resistance nylon, providing maximum protection on the job. The halo headgear is ergonomically designed and infinitely adjustable, providing extreme comfort and balance. The low-profile design and central pivot point allow maximum head clearance while the helmet is up. The Sentinel A50 also features a large 3.93 by 2.36 inch viewing area and an ADF with a 1112513 shade range. The color touchscreen control panel has 8 separate memory settings and an externally activated shade 4 grind button, making it easy to switch between welding settings. In addition, the Sentinel has a hard hat adapter option available with ESAB hard hats, providing even more versatility on the job. Overall, this is the perfect helmet for welders who want the latest technology, comfort, and protection in their equipment. Its pros are: its shell design provides high impact resistance, its halo headgear offers near infinite adjustability for comfort and balance, and it has a handy color touchscreen control panel with 8 memory settings. However, its cons are: the lens is slightly distorted when you move your head, and the touchscreen does not seem to work with gloves on. The ESAB Sentinel A50 is a well-designed unit often worn by the best in the field and will not disappoint. Up next in 4th place is the 3M Speedglas 902NC. This is another high-performance helmet designed for professional welders. Its advanced natural color auto-darkening optics adjust to the working conditions, providing a lighter, brighter, more realistic view that will help you better control the weld puddle. Additionally, the helmet has built-in exhaust vents to help reduce lens fogging, making it easier to see and work for an extended period of time. The helmet also boasts lasting comfort thanks to its improved ergonomic design and smooth action ratchet suspension, which allows for a precise fit and easy tightening even while wearing welding gloves. Weighing in at just 1.1 pounds, the helmet is lightweight and less stressful for extended wear. The helmet also has a slim profile with a shield width of 9.29 inches, making it easier to use when working in tight spaces. We also like that exhaust vents have been built into the welding helmet to help reduce lens fogging. Plus, it's even compatible with hard hats. In summary, the Precision Welding Optics helmet is perfect for professional welders who demand high-performance equipment. Its auto-darkening optics, reduced lens fog, lasting comfort, lightweight and slim profile, and safety certifications make it an ideal helmet for any welding job. Its pros are: it has advanced natural color auto-darkening optics for a more realistic view, it has built-in exhaust vents to reduce lens fogging, and it has a lightweight design for extended wear time. However, it lacks any cutting or grinding modes. The 3M Speedglas 902NC has a straightforward design that's comfortable and effective, making it ideal for someone working on a construction site. Still haven't found a welding helmet that meets your needs? Well, keep watching because we have more lined up for you. Meanwhile, if this is your first time visiting our channel, be sure to subscribe and hit the bell icon to receive notifications of our next videos. The 3rd product on this list is the Optrel Crystal 2.0. The crystal lens technology used in this state-of-the-art welding helmet is designed to provide exceptional performance and comfort for professional welders. The helmet features crystal lens technology with a Shade 2.0 light state, allowing the welder to see what happens before, during, and after the welding process. The helmet also features autopilot, a unique feature that automatically detects the arc brightness and adjusts the shade level from 4 to 12, ensuring that the lens adjusts automatically to the changing light conditions of the current welding process. This eliminates manual adjustments and allows the welder to focus on the task. The helmet also features a twilight feature, which gradually lightens the lens from dark to light to ease eye fatigue. Additionally, The helmet has a sensitivity adjustment feature that allows the operator to change lens switching sensitivity for varying ambient light conditions or outdoor welding and sunlight. The helmet also has a grind mode feature which enables you to switch quickly and easily between weld mode and shade 2.0 grind mode, using external controls without the need to remove the welding helmet to grind. All in all, this helmet is an excellent choice for professional welders who demand the best performance and comfort. Its advanced features offer a practically unclouded and clear view of your working environment, allowing welders to see what is really going on in the weld pool. Its pros are, it has an autopilot feature for automatic shade level adjustments, it has a sensitivity adjustment for varying ambient light conditions, and it has integrated grind and twilight modes for switching between different jobs and light conditions more easily. However, some users find that it may be too uncomfortable to wear for long periods. The Optrel Crystal 2.0 is a well-engineered unit with a range of features that are perfect for precision welding. The second product on this list is the Miller Digital Elite. This next welding helmet is impressive even to the most discerning welder. One of the standout features of this helmet is the clear light accurate color technology, which provides advanced high-definition optics for a more realistic, clear, and brighter view. This technology is beneficial for seeing fine details in the weld, making it easier to achieve a high-quality weld. Another great feature of the T94i is the X-Mode technology, which uses electromagnetic sensors to detect when an arc has been struck. This eliminates the need to trigger the auto-darkening feature in bright sunlight. This feature ensures that the welder is always protected from harmful rays. The T94i also has the InfoTrack 2.0 system, which records arc time and counts the number of arc strikes. This is a valuable tool for business operators as it allows them to give more accurate rate quotes and ensures that welders paid by piecework are treated fairly. The T94 also works with Miller's PAPR-powered respirator system, which is available as an entire package. The T94i also has side windows, which many welders appreciate as it reduces the risk of collisions. The T94i also offers 9 square inches of clear light viewport, a 3-year warranty, and Miller's famous customer service. That means this helmet is sure to meet the needs of even the most demanding contractor. Overall, the Miller T94i is a high-quality and versatile welding helmet that provides excellent protection and performance. Its pros are, it has true color technology and provides accurate color representation. It uses electromagnetic sensors to detect the arc, eliminating interference from bright sunlight. And it has a 3-year warranty and excellent customer service from Miller. However, some users have reported incompatibility problems with the hard hat adapter. The Miller Digital Elite is an effective option for any busy welder looking to reduce eye fatigue and protect themselves more thoroughly at work. Before we reveal number 1, be sure to check out the description below for the newest deals on each of these items. And be sure to subscribe if you want to stay up to date on the best products on the market. Finally, our top welding helmet is the VIKING 3350 series. Unleash your potential with what is undoubtedly a top-of-the-line option for professional welders. Boasting exclusive 4C lens technology, you'll get a crystal-clear, color-accurate view of your arc and puddle for improved control and weld quality without straining your eyes. With a 1111 optical clarity rating, you'll experience consistent brightness and performance from any angle. You'll also step up your game with the helmet's extra-large 12.5-inch lens, providing an expansive view for versatility and productivity. And with its X6 headgear designed for maximum comfort, you'll barely notice you're wearing it. What's more, with this unit, you can quickly switch between weld and grind modes with ease thanks to the low-profile action button. No need to remove the helmet or gloves. You can buy it with confidence too, as it comes with a 3-year warranty. This is the ultimate choice for pro welders seeking comfort, versatility, and top-quality performance. Its pros are, it has premium optics with 4C lens technology for a clear and true color view of the arc and puddle. It has an extra-large lens with 12.5 square inches for a wide field of view. It has a 3-year warranty for the protection of your investment. And it has a low-profile external grind button for easy switching. However, there are multiple design and paint job options, but all of them seem to get marked fairly easily. The VIKING 3350 series is an innovatively designed helmet that's suitable for all types of professional welding jobs. That's all for now. Thanks for watching. If we helped you out in any way, please hit the like and subscribe button. We'll see you guys in the next videos.